Swedbank, a Nordic banking giant. Swedbank is a major player in the financial world. It's a cornerstone of the Nordic banking system. Millions of people rely on Swedbank for their everyday banking needs. Businesses big and small depend on its services. The bank's influence extends beyond the Nordics. It operates in several countries, connecting economies and facilitating growth. This makes understanding Swedbank's recent developments crucial. Swedbank's story is one of evolution and adaptation. The bank constantly navigates the changing tides of the financial world. It faces challenges head-on, always seeking new opportunities. This resilience is vital in today's dynamic economic climate. Swedbank's commitment to its customers is paramount. It strives to provide reliable and accessible financial solutions. The bank understands the importance of trust and transparency. It aims to build strong and lasting relationships with its stakeholders. In a world of constant change, Swedbank remains a steadfast presence. The financial health of Swedbank is crucial for millions. It's a barometer of the economic well-being of the region. Its performance impacts individuals, businesses, and the overall financial system. Navigating the financial landscape. A look at the first quarter of 2025. The first quarter of 2025 brought new challenges for financial institutions. Global economic uncertainties continued to cast a shadow. Inflation and rising interest rates became major concerns. Against this backdrop, Swedbank announced its Q1 2025 interim report on April 29. The report provided a snapshot of the bank's financial health. It offered valuable insights into its performance amid economic volatility. Analysts and investors eagerly awaited the report. They were keen to understand how Swedbank was navigating the turbulent waters. The report highlighted both opportunities and challenges. Swedbank demonstrated resilience in a difficult operating environment. However, the impact of rising interest rates was evident. The bank's net interest income, a key revenue source, showed signs of pressure. The report sparked discussions about the future direction of the bank. It underscored the need for adaptability and strategic decision-making. Swedbank, like other financial institutions, had to adjust to the evolving landscape. Joining forces, the SpareBank 1 merger. In March 2025, Swedbank announced a significant strategic move. It revealed plans to merge its corporate finance and high-yield bond teams. The partner in this venture was SpareBank 1, another prominent name in the financial sector. This merger resulted in the creation of a new entity, SB1 Markets. The merger was a sign of consolidation in the financial industry. It reflected the challenges posed by a changing market. Declining interest income and increased competition were driving forces. By joining forces, Swedbank and SpareBank 1 aimed to strengthen their position. The newly formed SB1 Markets boasts a considerable workforce. With approximately 240 employees, it combines the expertise of both parent companies. The merger is expected to create synergies and enhance efficiency. It aims to provide a wider range of services to a broader client base. Expansion is also on the cards for SB1 Markets. Plans are afoot to venture into equity research and sales in Sweden. This move signifies a strategic push to diversify and capture new growth opportunities. The merger has generated considerable interest in the financial world. Section 4. Transparency under scrutiny. The GDPR Complaint. Transparency is paramount in the financial world. Customers need to trust that their banks operate fairly and openly. This trust is the bedrock of a healthy financial system. However, a recent GDPR complaint against Swedbank has raised concerns about transparency. The complaint, filed by the privacy advocacy group Nordic, focuses on mortgage interest calculations. Nordic alleges that Swedbank refused to fully disclose the logic behind these calculations. The bank cited trade secrets as justification for withholding this information. This lack of transparency has drawn criticism. Nordic argues that this refusal violates the GDPR, a regulation designed to protect personal data. The regulation grants individuals the right to understand how automated decisions are made. This is particularly relevant in the case of mortgage interest rates, which can significantly impact consumers' financial well-being. The complaint highlights a growing tension between data protection and corporate secrecy. It underscores the need for a balance that protects both individual rights and legitimate business interests. The outcome of this case could have far-reaching implications for transparency in the financial sector. Section 5. Charting the course, Swedbank's future outlook. Swedbank stands at a pivotal juncture. The bank is navigating a complex web of challenges and opportunities. Its future trajectory will depend on its ability to adapt and innovate. Strategic decision-making will be crucial in the years to come. The financial performance in the coming quarters will be closely watched. Investors and analysts will be looking for signs of growth and stability. The bank's response to rising interest rates will be critical. Managing profitability while supporting customers will be a delicate balancing act. The success of the SpareBank 1 merger will be another key factor. The ability of SB1 Markets to deliver on its promises will determine its long-term viability. Expansion into new markets and services will be crucial for growth. The outcome of the GDPR complaint will have lasting implications. A ruling in favor of NOIB could force Swedbank to increase transparency. This could set a precedent for other financial institutions. Swedbank's handling of this issue will be closely observed.